All right, guys, today we got a fun one for all you DAX dogs out there. We're going to be talking about the best way to document DAX measures for end users. And, jumping ahead, it's visually, but let's go ahead and let's take a look at the best way to do that. First, however, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Okay, let's jump into the computer. So the way that we're going to be doing this is we're going to be breaking a DAX measure down into a flowchart. Essentially what you're going to do is you're going to have all of your inputs and it's going to move up until you eventually get to your output or to your final measure. The key is that you're going to color code things. So for example, your final KPI is going to be a light gray, your dimension is going to be a light green, your filter will be a blue, a conditional statement will be a purple. You'll color code your mathematical operations all the way through. And what that then allows you to do is to take a measure like this, right, where you have all of these inputs and simplify it down into this, right? So you can see, oh, I've got my sales table filtered down to category electronics, where my order date is greater or equal to the start of the current year, which then results in my filtered sales data, which then is summed to then produce current year electronic sales. Got it? I think, it's pretty straightforward. So, do you think that's good? Let me know down in the video comments. If you have a creative way of documenting DAX, let me know. I'd love to hear it. And with that, again, please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video up until this point, and thank you for, being you. I hope you have a good night.